Using cameos on Snapchat with friends is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use cameras on Snapchat with friends. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at my Android device and I will go to my Snapchat application. Now in the Snapchats you simply have tap on chat and select the friend to whom you want to do this camera thing. Suppose I want to do this. Guys, so I'm just going to tap on the chat, and after tapping on the chat you will see this page here. You simply have to tap on this icon. After tapping on this icon you have to select this can you think, and after that you can easily tap on that option and select your photo. Or take a photo to do with your friend. There are some cameos which are for two guys, so you just have to select yours and send it to next person. Afterwards he'll fill it up and you guys will have a camera for both of you guys. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this. So they have 4